Welcome to my channel. There are many types of face moisturizer collagen cream available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Day and Night Collagen Cream, our anti-aging face moisturizer for women with retinol and hyaluronic acid, supports cell renewal, boosting skin elasticity and radiance. The natural ingredients work in harmony, reducing the signs of aging, restoring dry and dull skin, and making your skin soft and glowing. Theory Daily Moisturizer for face is what you need to keep your skin hydrated and youthful. Lightweight Facial Moisturizer, the non-greasy formula delivers deep hydration to your skin and restores its natural water balance. Our Day and Night Moisturizer for face is perfect to use under makeup since it absorbs quickly and gives your skin a shine-free glow and a more even texture. Stay beautiful while our facial cream nourishes your skin, smoothing pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Natural Wrinkle Cream for face. Theory Anti-Aging Cream contains only pure ingredients rich in antioxidants and beneficial for all skin types. Hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, retinol, coconut, avocado and jojoba oil, chamomile, and vitamin E combined with collagen bring a powerful firming and tightening effect, improving skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Best skincare made in USA. Our collagen cream for the face is made in the USA according to strict manufacturing laws and quality protocols. Sourced from trustworthy US suppliers, all ingredients are safe, paraben-free, and contain no GMO and SLS. Apply this day and night cream for women on your face and neck twice daily for a radiant glow and healthy bounce. Perfect customer service. Theory's main goal is to provide you with the highest results with the collagen face cream for women, which we believe will make your skin look great 24/7. We work hard to ensure you get only the best. But if you are unsatisfied with our product or have anything you wish to let us know about, do not hesitate and contact us. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.